Hi guys, welcome to Black Stag Styling. We have got a little treat for you. We can have a little look around Lydia Walmsley's racing Mini. She's popped in to see us. We are sponsoring her for the 2023 race season, so we're going to have a little look around the car. Don't forget, do give her a like and a follow on social media, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere you can find her. Have a little watch. Check her out, of course, throughout the race season, but let's have a little look around the car. Here we go.